So
Yo, this class is so boring.
mitochondria.
Oh my god, bro,
talks
this
about
class
Sarah
is so
Isaac Newton.
unclassy. My teacher is very mediocre.
It's just basically a different type of.
Jimmy.
What did I just say?
I don't know.
Well, maybe you should pay more attention.
Jimmy.
Anyway, Oliver, what was I saying?
As Dan was saying, I believe that would be Twix, mentioning described of the nervous of the systems.
Yes, I was, Oliver. All this information is needed for learning about the nervous system.
Nerve.
Jimmy.
Bro, that isn't nice. So can you tell me two functions of the nervous system? The nervous system is a useful system consisting of the brain, nerves, and spinal cord. It helps send messages between the body and react to problems or tasks the body needs to do or solve.
Oh. Sending messages between the body using the brain and spinal cord as a sort of train station. It can also react and solve tasks and problems the body has.
I said three functions, Jimmy, not two. Oliver, can you tell me one more?
Indeed. The nervous system has many functions, but the third key function of this system would be its ability to decipher problems and fix issues in a complicated system that is our organism as a human being.
That's exactly what I was looking for. Thank you, Oliver.
We were even
Now, Jimmy,
the most recent,
give me
we were
some
out
of the
the
major
best
organs, will you?
No, you've never been a very good
Bro,
at
she
doing
literally said two.
I'd
and
rather
you
have
said the
that
exact same
ability.
word as me.
Especially
Jimmy,
it also
pay
happens
attention.
when
Give me
you
all
go
three
above.
organs if you're so confident.
Oh, I got you, fam. There's the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerve.
Reverse scoreboard,
Oh yeah.
and more vertical. But when
No, that's only two.
that kind of tilts with
I said three, Jimmy. Oliver, can you give me the third one?
Why, of course, my good teacher. The nerves, as they detect things throughout the body and send messages throughout the organism like a fax machine.
What in the Lord and Savior of this world is a fax machine?
Good job, Oliver. Now that you've been so good, we'll have Jimmy answer the next question.
Blood.
Who you calling blood? I'm also. Anyway, can you tell me the major cells of the nervous system and what they do in detail?
Light work. You got neurons. They send messages and stimulates the muscles or something, right? And then there's the mitochondria.
No! What do you mean mitochondria? Anyway, Oliver, talk, my lovey-dovey.
Of course, my teacher. Microglia, a cell in the nervous system, performs as immunity cells for the brain to respond to pathogens or damage. There is also a confusing cell called the
oligodendrocyte.
lens for the thy neutrons, so messages can pass through simpler with little of thy efforts.
Indeed, Oliver! You are so smart! Great job!
Bro, Oliver, you're so British, it's annoying.
Okay, now, Jimmy, tell me about the tissue.
Oh, bet. I know this one. There's dura mater, which is an outermost membrane enveloping the brain and spinal cord, and arachnoid matter, which just protects the head from impact, and lastly, muscle tissue, which helps the nerves and brain to actually move. Boom, see, I'm not stupid. Ha.
Simple thing to know. I would have spoken all of that.
Great job, Oliver!
I literally give up.
Well, before we continue, how about some fun facts? First off, the organs are actually two separate systems in the nervous system. The central and peripheral nervous system. That's two good facts for you. What about you, Oliver? Got any good ones?
Why, of course, the signals and messages actually just use electrical shocks as signals to send messages. Jimmy, how about you? Any facts? The fun variety.
Sure. The nervous system is like technically the most important because without it, we wouldn't be able to tell our body to do anything.
Well, I guess that's true, Jimmy, but it's a stupidly obvious fact. Anyway, how about, the spinal cord isn't actually considered a part of the skeletal system, despite common belief. Anyway, I guess we can end class now.
Finally, I'm free.
Hey, sixth graders, not so fast. We're the health heroes, and we're here to teach you even more about the nervous system.
Who in the fucking are these people? The knowledgeable nerd team?
Bruh, really? We're here to boost up your sorry mess of a grade.
Why you gotta call me out, my guy?
Because you don't try enough. Anyways, the nervous system is very important a very important system in the human body. But without the other systems, it's virtually useless.
Your nervous system connects to a lot of different things. Your sensory system connects to it, meaning your 5 senses connect to it. And it sends it to your brain to process it and recognize it. Your
Integumentary.
system also connects to it, like how the sensory system connects, with touch connecting to your nervous system. Your brain sends signals through neurons to your muscle system, which then reacts to your brain doing said muscle movement.
A common disease is Alzheimer's disease, but we're here to talk about tetanus. Tetanus is caused by a bacteria called Clostridium tetani. You may also know it as lockjaw. It is like a sneaky germ that can sneak in your body through cuts or scrapes. Of course, that's hard enough to avoid, that's hard to avoid if you're like my girlfriend, who gets cuts in random places, or like me, if you own a cat.
Getting your tetanus boosted can prevent you from feeling bad and being on a breathing machine.
So, how do we get this awesome shield?
Easy. Just talk to your doctor. They can give you the tetanus shield to keep you safe.
Remember, sixth graders, be the defenders of your body. Get your tetanus boosters and stay super.
I hate it.
Don't get this, bro. I'm the vaccine.